5 simple exercises anyone can start.
Looking to begin a fitness routine but not sure where to start? Discover 5 easy, low-impact exercises perfect for beginners of any age or experience level. These moves help build strength, flexibility, and confidence, without the need for special equipment or an intense background in fitness.
Walking, the foundation for fitness.
Is the most natural and accessible exercise. It strengthens your heart, boosts mood, and is gentle on the joints. Gradually increase your pace and distance as you feel comfortable. Walking daily is an excellent way to establish a healthy habit.
Chair squats, building lower body strength.
Chair squats are a safe way to strengthen your legs and core. Stand in front of a sturdy chair, lower yourself as if sitting, then rise back up. This exercise mimics sitting down and standing up, helping improve balance and muscle tone. Start with a few repetitions and add more as your strength increases.
Wall push-ups, upper body made easy.
Wall push-ups are a gentle alternative to traditional push-ups. Stand an arm's length from a wall, place your hands on the wall, and slowly bend your elbows to bring your chest closer. Straighten your arms to return. This move strengthens your chest, shoulders, and arms, with minimal pressure on wrists and joints.
Seated marching, gentle cardio for all.
Seated marching helps improve circulation and stamina. Sit upright in a sturdy chair and gently lift one knee at a time as if you are marching. This low-impact movement increases heart rate slightly and keeps your lower body active. It's perfect for those with limited mobility or balance concerns.
Standing side leg raises, improve balance.
Now standing side leg raises develop hip strength and stability. Hold onto the back of a chair for support and slowly lift one leg out to the side, keeping your body upright. Lower it back down and repeat on the other side. This exercise can help with balance and prevent falls as you age.
Start simple. Stay consistent.
These 5 exercises form an excellent starting point for any beginner. Remember, consistency is key. Begin at your own pace, listen to your body, and celebrate small improvements. Always consult a healthcare professional if you have medical concerns. With regular practice, you'll feel stronger, healthier, and more confident in no time.